Hi guys, it's PJ. Well, this week we're on vacation. We are in Sanibel Island, Florida. We drove down here. It's about 18 hours straight through, but we stopped in Valdosta, Georgia, is where we stopped and stayed the night, and that was last weekend. We've been down here for half a week. We're having a pretty good time. They say this is the best shelling spot in the United States, I guess. As you can see, there's all kinds of different shells. That's what the wife and kids like to do. These little guys are pretty cool. They bury themselves down into the water, or down in the sand, I'm sorry. See all kinds of stuff. Good people watching too. There is this is the Gulf of Mexico. The water is 84 degrees today, and the air temperature is 95. That town way over there, I don't know if you can make that out or not, but the buildings over there, that is Naples, Florida. They just had a storm move through there. It wasn't storming here, you can still see how it's dark over there, but yeah, it thundered and all kinds of stuff, but never did anything over here. The water's a little more choppy than it usually is. We've been coming down here every year for years, 15 years I guess, and the water's real rough right now. I just wanted to show you guys taking a little break from HVAC work. There's the condos we stay in. It's called Sanibel Moorings. Really nice place. That is, I can't tell which one is ours from here. You see they spread it out quite a ways. You got beach view and just a few steps to get down to the beach. This is interesting. This is all just a big mound of shells. A little hard on the feet, but the kids enjoy digging through it, finding all kinds of different types of shells, building castles with it. And as you can imagine, I'll show you one thing that they did. It's one thing they did with the shells. So, besides that, the people watching is awfully fun. We have a great time doing that. That's a beautiful place. If any of you guys ever get a chance, I highly recommend it. It's called Sanibel Moorings. M-O-O-R-I-N-G-S. Sanibel Moorings is the location. And then the place over there with the green roof, that's the Sanibel Arms West, I think it's called. So, anybody would like any more information on it, I'd be glad to share it with you, at least what I know. We're going to be heading back home to Indiana here. We're leaving on Saturday morning. So, thanks for watching. You guys have a good day.